विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. वेर्णा उद्योगीक संघटनेची वर्सुकी बसका जाली. ह्या बसकेक उद्योगीक मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे हजर आशिल्ले. तांच्या बरोबर जीएसआयडीसीचे अध्यक्ष ग्लॅन टिकलो, वीज मंत्री निलेश काब्राल आनी हेर मानेस्त्यो हजर आशिल्ले. डेस्कवा खातीर वेर्णाच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
आम्ही ह्या तरेचे डिसिजन घेऊन जायचे गोयचे हिताना. सपोज देर इज अ कंपनी, इट डजंट हॅव एनी फायनान्शियल बॅकिंग अँड इट आस्क फॉर लँड. यू कॅनॉट गिव्ह लँड टू सच अ कंपनी एनी मोर. After all, Goa land is very precious. Every square inch of land that is given from now on, we have to evaluate how much benefit it will bring to the state of Goa. I am very clear on record. I have said there should be one point of contact, that is the Chief Minister of Goa. IPB has to have a definite and very clear-cut role under his leadership with his vision. IDC also cannot become defunct. IDC has to have its own role, and same way we have to move forward. But I believe that in the last cabinet decision, which I have already discussed with Honorable Chief Minister, with his view, we will decide is after auctioning that 5 lakh, balanced land, how best we can utilize. We need to take the local industry into confidence. We need to see that we bring industries that can create ancillaries around it, and we have to see how jobs can be created. And same time, existing industrialists cannot be running behind the government for permission, but in fact there has to be accountability. So we have decided today, once a decision is taken by IPB, it will be implemented by the IDC or whichever department it is within 15 to 20 days and report back to the Honorable Chief Minister. So this is the way we think you should.
See, what has happened in the industrial states, the sitlats, some are maintained by government and then by electricity department, some are maintained by IDC. As a policy decision which is coming next week in the cabinet, we are taking in entire sitlats of Goa. I know we have the existing issues are still a little problem, but it is not like before. We have improvised, we are correcting, we are making measures. We will outsource to a company where they are having their own issues. So we want to take it back. That is one issue within a department and that company. But as a policy, all the street lights we are taking, like we are aware from Airport Road to junction here at Billa, at Verna, the lights were not working only. So now I have taken over and we have started repairing on our own. So like this as a policy we are taking over.
Minister, we should always mention, already we have got about total 38 lakhs of square meters, but 24 lakhs are already घेतलेले आसा asset in this Verna state, and where 5 lakhs will be auctioned to repay the loans we are taking. But also importantly is our minister is taking also Chief Minister account that balance land of auction should not be auctioned, but is getting the entrepreneurs, getting the industrialists. Actually, as per the IPB, they will decide that more than 3,000 land goes to IPB. They will decide who is the right person, right entrepreneur, and land will be allotted accordingly.
How long? फावटी हांवें कितें केलां, मेन मुद्दे आमचे रेग्युलर आहा पळय ते हांव उलोवंकूच ना. ते पर्सिस्टंटली आतां 3 वर्सां जाले तशेंच कंटिन्यू आहा. आतां वॉट आय एम इन्सिस्टिंग दिस टायम इज टू मेक इट ऑनलायन. ऑल डिपार्टमेंट्स आहा पळय ऑनलायन करतलो कितें जातलें, देर विल बी सम ओनर्स ऑन द डिपार्टमेंट टू आन्सर. आतां आमी एप्लिकेशन केलें, डेट उरतली न्ही केन्ना एप्लिकेशन केला तें, टायम 21 दिसान जाय, 21 दिसान दिवपाक जाय. आतां कितें जाता, लेटर दिलें हे 6 म्हयने 7 म्हयने रिप्लाय करना, कोणाक कांयच कळना. एकदां डेटा सगळो जर ऑनलायन आयलो सगळ्या कंपनीचो आनी हाचो आनी सगळ्या डिपार्टमेंटाचो, जाल्यार मुवमेंट वील बी मच इजियर. कोणी जर नवो जर बिझनेस स्टार्ट करपाक सोदता न्ही, ताका हे दीस प्लॅटफॉर्म वील बी व्हेरी इजी टू कम्युनिकेट. नाल्यार कितें जाता, ह्या मिनिस्टराचे पांय धर, फाल्यां वचून त्या मिनिस्टराचे पांय धर, तशें जावपाक ना. बाय सिस्टम द प्रोसिजर हॅज टू वर्क. तुका कसलें परमिशन जाय, बाय सिस्टम तूं एप्लाय केलें, पोल्युशन, फायर, फॅक्ट्रीज एंड बॉयलर तुका मेळपाक जाय न्ही.